welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a login form using a React Native CLI. And here's the form that we are going to create today, and it contains the different components like a logo, two input fields, one for the email and second for the password, one login button, and two navigations option for get password and don't have an account yet. So let's start, I think. Now I want to create a folder structures like all the contents inside this login screen must be reusable all over the application. So we need to create a folder structure here. So first of all, we create a folder with the name src. Inside that folder, I will create another folder with name components and new folder with name assets. Inside the component, we will create a file with name logo.js and new file with name button.js and input.js. I'm going to design all of these components at one place, and these components will be reusable throughout all the application. So I think we should start from the logo.js. Then I will add command here rfce, and it will create a functional structure here. Then I will import component that's required for the logo.js file from React Native, and we need view and text and image, style sheet, and touchable opacity. I think touchable opacity is not required. Okay, I will create a view, and inside the view I will create another view. Inside this view I will create image tag with the source, and the source is required assets, and inside assets I have images, and here I have logo3.js, logo3.3pg. Okay, then I have a text component. The value is full gallery. Now I will use this logo.js inside app.js to test. Import logo from inside assets. I have a component. Inside the component we have a logo. Okay, and so here you can see an error view configured to callback for component. This must be a function. Okay, we are using view inside the logo.js file. This is not present inside React Native, so we have to remove this. And now the error must be resolved. Okay, the error has been resolved, and now I will design this logo. Okay, now create a style sheet. Const styles is equal to style sheet dot create logo. What should be? It should be, I think, image logo is right. Okay, height must be 80. Similarly, the width must be 80. Border radius must be 40, and okay, apply it here. Style is equal to styles.logo. Here is it working fine. Okay, we need to remove from here. Okay, we have a logo here. Then it must be a style is equal to text direction must be a row. Okay, it's fine, and I will add uh, style for text. Text style must be a margin. Top should be 20. Okay. Font weight should be bold. First, I think we should connect here. Style start style. If I'm not wrong, then here you can see. Okay. Font size must be large. I think it should be 28. Okay. Then margin left should be 5. Color should be orange. Okay, here we will create a border. Border width must be 1 and border color must be orange.